are spending a really nice, beautiful, sunny day at the harbourfront.
That's right. And people are taking advantage of the weather to come out.
Tons of people out.
And enjoy themselves in our beautiful city. Our plan today is to walk along Harbourfront from the kind of
Music
west end of
gardenish?
it.
Yeah, west end of it, yeah.
West end, which is at Bathurst and Queen's Quay. And then we're going to make our way east.
I think we will go for lunch somewhere
Yeah.
too.
We're going to go to the Amsterdam, probably.
Yeah,
We've
Amsterdam
been there
BrewHouse.
before. It's nice there. And we're just going to wander along here
The shoreline. Yeah.
and see what we can find. What we see
And
is
have
what
fun.
we see. And have fun. Enjoy ourselves.
Yes.
Take it all in.
Yeah.
not really going to be large.